10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
You ready? Which one try first? We're gonna try the chips first.
What is that?
They're Mexican chips. Get one.
I thought it was from Japan.
Yeah, they are from Japan. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay, now these are good.
Yeah, them ain't that bad. I actually like them.
1 for 1, mama.
It's like a taco.
They're way better than chips from UK. Okay, those good. Pick.
I can get down with that.
Pick one. Ew. This is the little popcorn thingy. I don't know what it's called. Oh.
What is that?
I don't know. We finna find out though.
I don't want this.
It might be a Cheeto.
Why I get the beef?
I don't know. You ready? I don't know what it is.
Yeah, I don't know what that is.
It ain't bad though. Is it?
No, not really. I don't know what it is though.
This is going way better than the UK box we got. My turn?
Yeah, you pick something.
I'm gonna try these.
What one is that?
Sour gummies. So was this one good? Did we count this one?
It was alright.
Okay. So we 1 for 2.
I don't know why I let you talk me into doing this stuff.
I can't open it.
Are they like turtles?
I don't know what they are.
I don't know what that is.
Get one. They just supposed to be sour gummies. I don't like those.
Got a weird taste to them.
Yeah.
You know what that is? Oh, them nasty.
Yeah, these ain't good.
That was nasty.
Gotta chew mine. Yeah, pick.
You know, nasty. Ew. I don't know what that tastes like.
What are these?
I don't know. You can't open.
No. Ma, you want one? Mm-mm. These ain't bad though.
I will tell you what it is, but I can't read Japanese.
Okay.
I'm scared.
They supposed to be like soybeans or something. You know what a soybean is? Ew.
Look like okra.
Okra.
They
Yeah.
do. Ugh.
They soybeans.
It's hard too.
They taste like okra.
That's what they taste like.
They taste like hard okra.
That's what that is. Is it like okra chips?
I don't know. These crunchy nuggets have a salty soybean flavor mixed perfectly with just the right amount of roasted almonds.
Best served with a frosted bit. That tastes like okra. I don't want them.
They ain't bad. You eat okra.
I do, but I don't want them in chip form.
They're good to me. You don't like these?
Nah. I'm good on that.
Okay. Watermelon gummies.
Don't get it.
They're like breadsticks.
It tastes like okra.
They almonds though. See?
It tastes like okra. I don't know. That wasn't good. I'm probably keep these.
Okay. Watermelon gummies.
Oh, these might not be that bad. Racist.
They taste like Starburst Burst. The little Starburst. I like them.
Those ain't too bad. I ain't gonna say they too good either. But they alright. They alright.
Pick one. These are good. Those are
Yeah, they ain't too though.
chocolate covered peanuts.
That don't sound too bad.
You don't like them?
No. Good crazy.
Chocolate covered peanut.
So far, I've really only liked one thing out of this box.
These are good.
They taste like watermelon, but they still just weird.
You're black, you supposed to like watermelon.
That's so racist.
Open it. Okay. Chocolate covered peanut.
Dang, that shouldn't be too bad. Shouldn't be.
Crap.
The regular chocolate covered peanuts, but
So you like them?
yeah, I like them.
I don't. There you go. We got this left. Don't know what it is. We got another one of these. I'm not trying this because I don't know what this is.
You gotta try it.
We got another one. Got some hot chew. Hot chews. Cause I like hot chews here.
She can't open none of your stuff.
Open this.
Oh my god. I'm gonna get it possible.
Thank you. Hot chew. There you go.
Why you keep calling them hot chews? That ain't what they call.
Yes, they are. They are hot chew.
Oh.
We have these here. You never had hot chew before? Ooh, that's some great ones. You ready? I like the ones here. Right? You don't like this one either? I keep these. I like those.
It's alright, I never buy it.
We won't never buy none of this. These supposed to be like candy apples. I ain't putting them together.
Exactly.
You gotta put this on a stick and stuff. I ain't got time for all that. Here you go. I don't know what this is.
Like soy sauce you get from China.
Stop being racist. Open it.
For real. Like it's sweet and sour.
Oh my goodness.
Duck sauce. I can't open this.
Well, don't worry about it.
Maybe got some scissors. Appreciate it. What this is.
Me either. You gonna be the first one to try it. Thanks, Mama. And you just put that up on there like
That's
that.
enough.
And then you gotta put your little sprinkles on it. Like so, like that.
So they sell these in Japan, huh?
Yeah, this would be like candy apples.
What the apple?
The pink thing that's in your hand is the apple.
Wait.
Mine didn't come with a stick. I don't have no stick. Okay. You ready?
Yeah.
That's gone.
Like that.
You had it. I don't want it.
Okay.
Can I try this?
Sure. Go ahead. I don't want it.
So it's already froze. I'll just
Wait.
frozen Coke.
Mm-hmm.
Can't go wrong with this. I can't open it though.
It's a frozen Coke.
It's like a slushy.
Yep.
See?
Just tell it Coke.
It's actually good.
For real.
I can rock with this. It got a weird lemon taste. Like I tried this Coke slushy. It ain't that bad.
Okay. Here, we got 2 of these. You take one, I'm take one. Which one you want?
They ain't the same. They different.
Yeah, because they sent us 3 different flavors. So was this good?
Yeah, I like that.
You didn't try it?
Mm-mm.
I like that.
Ooh, this one look like a cheese puff. Ooh, yours might be hot.
I like it. Egg roll. I'm just saying. Can't tell me this don't look like a spring roll.
Spring rolls got plastic wrappers. But go ahead.
Ew.
Sorry. Ew.
What kind was that, you know?
I can't read Japanese.
I'm scared.
What kind is yours?
It tastes like an egg roll.
Mine tastes like spaghetti. I don't like that.
This tastes like an egg roll.
Mm-mm. I don't like that. Okay. Moving on. I cleaned all that up. Ew. Why is it still up there? Okay. You like it?
It's alright.
Okay, we're gonna try this little weird thingy.
You gonna try this? I ain't using that.
That tastes like spaghetti and garlic bread and
That might have been what it was.
ew.
Shut up.
I don't know. This traditional snack sticks. Traditional snack stick is made of fried wheat and coated with brown sugar. Oh, that is plastic. That is styrofoam. We used to use these for our projects. You ready?
I'm scared.
Sorry.
So you already said it's nasty. I ain't got to try.
Yes, you do try it.
This tastes like, ew.
Straight styrofoam.
I don't know what that is. It tastes like cotton. Ew.
Try.
Oh god.
All right, we almost done. I don't know what this is. Oh, okay. They like lemon drop, lemon heads. Here you go. You ready?
Go ahead.
You go ahead. I went first last time.
That ain't bad.
This is the mustard gum.
Oh, it's
Tiny gum balls are jam packed with flavor.
Yeah, that's just regular gum. That's cool.
Beware, one of the 3 pieces has been spiked with an intense sour flavor. Eat at your own risk. I think it was this one.
Oh, you got the sour? Yes, sir.
You swallowed yours?
It was super sour?
Lord. Wait a minute. It was still sour. Jesus.
Mom, this tastes like the sponge you wash dishes.
Okay.
This is nasty.
We're gonna say the Kit Kats for last.
This is nasty.
These are
Look at it.
I said.
God.
These are tomato sticks.
I don't even eat tomatoes, so I know I ain't fit to try that.
Yes, you are. They're actually tomato biscuits. Oh, you get your own pack. Here you go.
Like Pretz.
Probably. Oh, yep, they're like pretzels.
This was the best thing in the box.
Nuh-uh, these are good. And the watermelon things are good.
No, they wouldn't.
These are good.
Mine won't open, so I ain't gonna
I got you.
I got it. Tomato stick. Go ahead, Kim.
Alright.
These actually good. I might keep these.
Mama. You can have them.
You like them?
They're alright, but which one you want? You get the green Kit Kat? I want the pink one. Kit
You
Kats!
done?
Yep, after the Kit Kat.
I'm so glad.
Ooh, this one gotta be like strawberry or something. Regular little Kit Kats. Can't go wrong with these.
What? I can't get mine green. They're like,
Yours gotta be ew.
I'm like,
Might be spinach, kale.
poop.
Ew. You ready?
Ugh.
Okay. You ready? Mine's a strawberry Kit Kat. That is strawberry. I don't know what type of flavor this is.
Ugh. the worst Kit Kat I've ever had in my life.
I don't know. Mine tastes strawberry, but like it got a lemon taste to it.
Mine ain't got none of that.
I don't think I like mine.
Yeah, it's nasty.
Yeah.
Oh God.
Mine kind of tastes like a Kit Kat, but I don't know.
I'm so glad that's over.
Yep. Japan. Our next one should be here next month. Woohoo!
I ain't doing one next month.
Yes, you are. Say bye.